So here's a challenge. Can you break 2002 down into its building block? That means the prime number that multiply to give it. So stick around as we peel back the layers of 2002 using the magic of prime factorization. It is easier than it looks and way more satisfying. So what is prime factorization? So it means that expressing a number as its product of its prime factor. So those indivisible numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So in other words, we can say that we are finding out what prime numbers multiply together to give 2002. So let's start. So we can see that 2002 is even, so it's divisible by 2. It gave us 1001. Now factor 1001. So sum of digit, if we do, because 1001 is odd, so we cannot further divide it by 2. So we have to check it with 3. So divisibility of rule of 3 is sum the number to get the number that is divisible by 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 cannot divisible by 3. Now divisible by 5, it does not end with 0 and 5, so we cannot divide it by 5. Now try with 7. So 1001 divided by 7 gives us 143. Now 143, we will go with next prime number 11 gives 13. Now 13 is also a prime number. So final prime factorization of 2002 is 2 times 7 times 11 times 13. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.